Hello, everyone. This is Lelia from RinPac. Are you still worrying about how to make your product stand out from the crowd? Glass jars provide a wonderful way to showcase your products while ensuring their freshness and integrity. From preserving homemade jams and sauces to storing spices, herbs, and even cosmetic products, glass jars are a versatile and stylish choice. Elevate your packaging game with glass jars that exude sophistication and functionality. They are reusable and recyclable, making them an environmentally conscious choice. Contact us or visit our website today to discover the range of customizable options we offer. Let us help you create stunning packaging that captivates your customers and reflects your brand's elegance. We'll be right here waiting for you. Thank you for watching. See you next time.